This Fontina and ham pizza was inspired by a simple grilled cheese, and it works perfectly for the grill outdoors. Let me show you how. I have the grill heating up outside, and I'm just finishing up my prep before I go out. I have about 4 to 5 ounces of a good Italian Fontina cheese, some deli sliced ham, again about 2 to 3 ounces of that. I'll slice that as well into smaller bits, a pound of my favorite dough, and then once it all comes off the grill, I'm going to top it with some fresh herbs, including chives and some really great basil. The Fontina is a pretty soft cheese, so I find either grating it with a peel or just slicing it thin with a knife works a little bit better than trying to grate it on a box grater. I'm also going to slice up our ham, and part of the key to going outside and grilling a pizza outside is that you want everything to sort of be prepped and ready. So that's what I'm doing right now, because all of these things are a quick cook. Nothing really takes very long. I'm going to do our ham into nice little sort of lardon-like shapes. Just getting our chives ready. This is probably a ridiculous amount of chives, but about 2 to 3 heaping tablespoons easily. I really like that light onion flavor. The fresh herbs will go on after everything comes off of the grill. All right, that crust is looking good to me. Everything on our sheet pan, and we're gonna go outside to the grill. Looks good. Off the grill, looks so good. We're gonna hit it with a whole bunch of those chives. Like I said, a ridiculous amount. And now just torn basil, either whole small leaves or chunks of large leaves all over. And then just because I like a little hit of acid, a little squeeze of lemon, just ever so lightly over some of the herbs. I can hardly wait to dig in. I love that crunch. I hope you try making this ham and Fontina cheese pizza at home, and I hope you enjoy it. I know I will. So good.